Welcome back, fellow farmers and agriculture enthusiasts. In today's episode, we explore the heart of contemporary farming, agricultural machinery. Get ready to witness the might, accuracy, and sheer marvel of these mechanical powerhouses that tirelessly work in the fields, serving as the backbone of our agricultural landscapes. Each day, apples undergo a meticulous process. They are meticulously cleaned, coated with preservatives, sorted by size, labeled, and carefully packaged along with this efficient assembly line. In this strawberry garden, farmers prioritize agility and carefulness as their top criteria, creating a bustling atmosphere that blankets the entire field. They strive to work with utmost speed, aiming to efficiently complete the harvest and maximize output. The dragon fruit processing line exemplifies a state-of-the-art automated system. From the careful selection of fresh dragon fruits to the final packaging stage, each fruit undergoes precise processing steps to maintain its flavor, quality, and nutritional value. Paprika is an extremely popular powdered chili made from ground dried peppers, giving it a vibrant, characteristic red color. It is often crafted using sweet peppers, though it is commonly sold in sweet, spicy, or smoky varieties. In the quaint countryside of Vietnam, a bountiful watermelon harvest unfolds. These melons, boasting weights of up to 7 kilograms each, grace the orange orchard. With meticulous care, a young girl harvests the ripe fruit. The carrot harvest is a graceful exhibition to care and dedication. The skilled hands of farmers move delicately through the field. The nopal cactus thrives abundantly throughout Mexico, especially in the central and arid regions. In Mexico, there are over 3 million hectares, 7,400,000 acres of land dedicated to cultivating nopal. In Washington, orchard growers employ platforms that mechanically navigate between rows of trees, swiftly and safely elevating workers to the level where fruit picking occurs. The plum sorting machine stands as a critical component in the plum processing chain, featuring advanced automation and precision. This machine not only boosts productivity, but also enhances product quality. The egg processing line employs an automated system with comprehensive quality control, encompassing selection, cleaning, sorting, packaging, and final quality inspection of eggs. Following the harvesting process, the olives are subsequently transferred to designated vehicles or containers in preparation for sale. Typically, olives are sold in bulk to mills. As cashew nuts develop, they emerge from the base of a large swollen structure that might be mistaken for a fruit. This structure, known as a cashew apple, is not a true fruit, but rather the enlarged end of the stem located just above the cashew nut. In the grape fields, specialized machines traverse through the vines, employing vibrations to dislodge the grapes onto a conveyor belt. After collection, a series of networks meticulously eliminate impurities from the grapes. The harvested quantity is promptly shipped to wineries each year. Zuck machines bring about a revolution in cherry harvesting, combining precision and efficiency. Experience the seamless operation as cherries are swiftly collected, ensuring optimal quality and production in every harvest. Ripe mango fruits should be individually picked from the harvesting bag by hand and carefully arranged in trays or cartons. Pay close attention during the transportation of the fruit to the pack house. Trays with fruit awaiting transport should be stored in the shade under the trees. The timing of the harvest is crucial to ensure that potatoes are not only physiologically mature, but also possess an optimal sugar concentration for proper storage and processing. Amidst the expansive field, a dedicated farmer meticulously gathers broccoli, skillfully tossing each head onto a conveyor belt with practiced precision. The conveyor swiftly transports freshly picked broccoli for meticulous sorting and packaging. The apple packaging process is executed with precision and efficiency, encompassing sorting, counting, and placing the apples into packaging. Each step is automated, ensuring a high-quality outcome. The 75035 automatic potato harvester represents an advanced machine that guarantees precise harvesting, delivering optimal yields and streamlining the potato harvesting process for agricultural operations. Cherry trees typically begin bearing fruit in their fourth year, with dwarf trees producing fruit a year earlier. A mature standard-sized tart or sweet cherry tree yields between 30 to 50 quarts of cherries annually, while a dwarf tree produces about 10 to 15 quarts. The olive harvest typically commences from late August to November, depending on the region, variety, and desired ripeness. Given that olives are selected for both consumption and oil extraction, achieving the right level of ripeness is crucial. All olives start off green and gradually transition to a rosy hue before finally turning black. The fascinating origin of the name cranberry is tied to the distinctive appearance of its flowers, which bear a resemblance to the head of a crane bird. Consequently, these berries earned the moniker cran and berries. Distinguishing individual plants is crucial for the success of mechanical weed removal, both between rows and, critically within rows among plants. This technique is specifically designed for cultivating seedlings in crops with uniform plant and row spacing. The corn harvester is like a magician, turning fields of corn into golden treasures with each pass. The farmer adeptly harvests LS with a 12-meter vegetable trailer and a 12-meter folding Delacroix conveyor. This well-designed setup optimizes the process, ensuring a seamless transition from the field to the market. Automated strawberry picking with Berry, a robotic picker developed by SCS, involves the selection, weighing, and packaging of strawberries, navigating autonomously within the greenhouse or even transitioning to different greenhouses. Your herd of cattle will never go hungry with this machine. The process of harvesting white radishes and cultivating Japanese radishes, along with the utilization of modern radish harvesting machines. Tomatoes are harvested and processed into more than 50 tomato-based products. Our production spans the entire southern tier of countries in Michigan, reaching from Coldwater in the central area. Behold, a Korean apple orchard, a rare gem of natural beauty that is seldom found in our nation's landscape. When loading mangoes for transportation to the processing facility, workers must exercise care to prevent crushing the fruit. This precaution is particularly crucial to ensure the quality of the mangoes. To ensure straight rows of lettuce for efficient harvesting by machines, it is essential to employ supporting machinery during the planting process. The United States dedicates approximately 115,000 acres of land to cherry cultivation, primarily in states like Washington, California, Michigan, and Oregon. Although commonly labeled as just cherries at the grocery store, these fruits contribute significantly to the country's agricultural landscape. Some of the cabbage we're harvesting has a substantial size, and it belongs to a variety called Cabot, in case anyone was curious. Tomatoes undergo stringent processes before hitting the market. Harvesting rice fields with this machine is like reaping the rewards of hard work and dedication. I wonder how farmers can harvest this large sugarcane field within a day, and this machine is the best answer. This automated cattle manure cleaner is like a diligent janitor, keeping the barn clean and the cows content. Efficiently grinding down trees, this machine makes short work of even the largest logs. This corn planter is like an agricultural artist, sowing the promise of a bountiful harvest. Look at how this machine does its work, So easy and fast. Each incubator on this farm accommodates approximately 71,000 eggs in each incubation cycle. Currently, the United States has around 229,000 farms. Pumpkin picking is a highly anticipated fall activity for many. This is the process at a packaging facility where broccoli is sorted based on size, and the packaging is tailored to meet specific orders. Banana peppers have two primary harvest times. For farmers looking to use them for business or culinary purposes, they'll pick the peppers when they reach full ripeness. After a day in the incubator, thousands of chicks will be brought in to start a new journey. Any weak or crippled chicks will be discarded and directed to another destination. The apples undergo a rigorous process, including meticulous color and external defect screening, weight inspection, non-destructive sweetness testing using light transmission, automatic sorting with up to 50 levels, automated loading of empty boxes, layer-wise automatic loading. The chance to cultivate your own food and provide sustenance for others is truly rewarding. However, stumbling upon potatoes that resemble this, you can observe the abundance of tomatoes spread across these fields, indicating a promising harvest. As the tomatoes ripen, the vibrant red hues emerge. Discover how over 100 billion eggs are produced annually in the United States. The production of such an enormous quantity of eggs requires millions of hens. Establishing a stable income through goose farming has become a popular business model with breeds such as free-range geese and grass-fed geese, among others. If you find this video enjoyable, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. These two fertilizing vehicles work in tandem to nourish the field, ensuring even distribution of nutrients. This pea harvester efficiently gathers the green gems in the field, ready to become a tasty treat. Plowing machine is the backbone of farming, turning the earth for a successful harvest. This potato harvester is a true time saver, efficiently collecting a field full of spuds. This machine, harvesting and shredding corn plants simultaneously, is a true farming marvel. This tree digging and relocating machine is like a giant hand, gently moving trees to their new homes. This rice planting machine is like a conductor, seeding the field with perfect precision. The harvesting process serves to eliminate any subpar leaves and branches, enabling the plant to thrive. However, it's crucial to execute the harvesting process accurately and at the opportune time. The Red Tiger 6, recognized as the most powerful sugar beet lifter globally, made its premiere and earned a gold medal for innovation in overall design at the Agro Cello Trade Fair. These state-of-the-art machines play a crucial role in potato cultivation. They are a farmer's reliable ally, ensuring efficiency, productivity, and time savings. A giant machine, like a beast in agriculture. Look at this machine harvesting dozens of hectares of wheat in just 1 hour. Watch! Lemons are meticulously harvested and cleaned to guarantee their freshness before they reach the supermarkets. Thanks to automated nutrition, these goats produce maximum milk yield. Providing nutrients to the soil is incredibly important to prepare for the next growing season. That's also the reason this machine was created. For the beauty and freshness of flowers in the future, pruning these trees is one of the essential steps. These watermelons, the most expensive watermelon in the world, are carefully placed in boxes to prevent them from being crushed during transportation. The tree cutting and grinding machine is a versatile tool in agriculture and landscaping. It efficiently cuts and grinds trees, turning them into small pieces. It's indeed a smooth and modern production line. Can you guess what type of pastry this is? Thanks to this machine, it efficiently constructs flawless drainage channels, relieving farmers from concerns about field flooding during rainfalls. This egg collection and cleaning conveyor is like a meticulous caretaker for the factory's precious produce. Amazing! This automated barley planting machine is like a futuristic farmer. If my mom had this machine, she definitely wouldn't have to worry about grinding food for the animals anymore. This large-capacity peanut roaster is like a nutty maestro, turning raw peanuts into golden delights. This orange washing conveyor belt is like a spa for citrus, preparing them for their juicy journey. This flower bundler is like a magician, swiftly and evenly creating bouquets in one graceful move. Extracting coconut milk with this machine is like capturing the essence of the tropics in every drop. This machine can not only harvest various types of nuts, but can also easily collect fruits like apples, pears, or jujubes. To make storage and transportation easier, farmers have been very innovative in grinding and compressing corn into bales. It's indeed a clever way to preserve them. Tomatoes are harvested with varying shades, including a pink color directly off the vine. Some places opt to harvest tomatoes while they still have a green hue. The process of renovating irrigation channels is no longer a difficult task for large farms with this machine. The Centrac, with its snowblower attachment, is an impressive and efficient snow removal machine, making navigating snowy conditions effortless. In addition to the cool and refreshing coconut water, coconut shells yield a variety of surprising products. Let's visit the Choco Pie production factory together, the birthplace of millions of Choco Pie cookies. This plow machine is so efficient. It's truly the right hand of the farmer. Let's take a look at how modern tomato processing plants wash and sort tomatoes so quickly. Customers no longer have to worry about buying low-quality tomatoes. This plow machine is so easy to use. Without much effort, that girl can still control it easily. Nowadays, many farmers have adopted advanced machinery for harvesting various types of fruits. This is the most typical example. Can you guess what type of vegetables they are harvesting? This seasoning conveyor is like a flavorful assembly line, packaging the essence of instant noodles. Now, let's delve into the seafood industry. Do you happen to know what the name of this reddish fish is? The eel harvesting and processing in the factory exemplify the dynamic eel farming industry. Farmers engage in the cultivation of millions of eels, showcasing a remarkable growth and harvesting process. In the mid-1980s, both the harvest and spawning escapements of salmon reached historically high levels. During this period, the commercial harvest of pink salmon averaged 44 million fish, more than 3 times the average harvest of 14 million. The net is pulled until the fish are gathered in the net bag, facilitating the process of lifting the fish onto the boat. After pulling the net, the collected fish are placed into a net bag. Observing these fishermen at work, it is certain that they must have undergone extensive training to master such proficient fishing techniques. With 21 years of manufacturing expertise, this company specializes in processing octopus in Daejeon, South Korea. Currently, they boast an impressive repurchase rate of over 80% and supply major supermarket chains nationwide. Fish farming requires maintaining a stable water environment, providing high-quality feed, and monitoring the health of the fish. Managing schedules and filtration systems are essential to optimize production. Various fishing methods are required to catch different sizes and species of fish because different species and ages behave distinctively. They inhabit different parts of the ocean at varying depths and may exhibit different movement patterns. Snow cod is widely appreciated as a delicacy with a mild flavor and thick, white flesh. Cod liver is processed to produce snow cod liver oil, a valuable source of essential nutrients, including vitamin A. The protein requirements for hybrid catfish are identical to those of channel catfish. Hybrids demonstrate a similar response to various dietary formulations, feeding rates, and frequencies as observed in channel fish. These sugar canes are so impressive, they're impossible to take your eyes off of, like dancers in the midst of a graceful performance. Are you a honey enthusiast? If so, this video is for you. Look at the way he's skillfully pruning the trees. Truly a skilled craftsman. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey into the future of agricultural machinery. If you're as captivated as we are, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to Mind Machine for more captivating content on the latest advancements in agricultural technology.